This is the Genesis G90. The Genesis G90 is equipped with custom buttons that can be programmed to provide quick access to your favorite features or functions. There are 3 custom buttons on your vehicle. 2 are located on either side of the steering wheel, and the third is directly above the climate controls. Each button can be configured to activate whichever function you'd like. They can even be made to perform the same exact function. To configure, press and hold down the custom button you would like to set. The infotainment system will then provide you a list of useful functions and features that are available for selection. Select the function that you'd like to assign and then enjoy your new custom buttons. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.